rider? If yes, then definitely you would have your own friend circles with whom you ride along, or you would be part of the owners club of the bike that you own. Hi, this is Akshay from MotoGazer. Today I'm going to introduce you to such a club which started off as a owners club for particular bike group to opening its arm to everybody who rides. Hi guys, today we are with Manpreet Singh Kocher, sorry. So, who is the president and founder for Bikers Ka Swag. BK is Bikers Ka Babe. So, we are just going to know about this biking community and why you should join this community. So, all over to Manpreet.
Hi Akshay,
Hey,
glad to have you here with
Indeed.
us on this ride collaboration with MotoGazer to Matharan. Well, we started long back in 2020 in the month of October, precisely on the 28th of October is when we started the first group. That was initially called Java's the Swag. It all started with me first buying a Java Perak on the 22nd of October, and one by one we started adding initially only the Java owners of Java Classic, Java 42 and Java Perak. I didn't know much about the bikers community at that particular time. I just knew that I found a bike, I wanted to own that bike. Java was the brand name. I loved that Java from the age of 5. And one by one, I started adding initially the Java owners. Later on, much after about 6 months or so, by the time we had done about close to 50 odd breakfast rides, about 20 night rides, in less than about 7 months or so, we had almost covered close to about 75 rides in and around Mumbai, night rides within Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, and breakfast rides and all day rides all across Maharashtra. It was interstate. It was pretty much an adventure which had begun with just a small group of close to about 20. We started increasing in about 1 year. We reached out to about 100, 110 members, and later, personally, me and immediate members of the club, Amrita Shah, who is here with me, I'll introduce her to you soon, and her husband Jawar Shah, and another digital head, Mubin Sheikh. We all became the core members and became the core team of Java's the Swag. Clubbed very well, started designing the social media structure, started designing the ride curation structure. Amrita here handles the administration and communications department. Slowly and slowly, from Bombay, it just so happened that my wife got transferred to Bangalore, and we shifted and extended our family in Bangalore.
amazing.
And luckily, considering the fact that Bangalore being a huge and tremendous big market of bikers and bikers community, we started Java the Swag there as well. In less than 6 months, we possibly were the biggest club and the fastest growing club in Bangalore, with an average number of 80 to 120 riders per ride.
Perfect.
And in less than 7 months, we had almost close to about 300 riders in Bangalore as well.
Great.
And fortunately, thankfully, Bombay called us back, and I am back here again. And from a very long time, even before I went on to Bangalore, there was always this question: why only Java? There were a lot of bikers who used to ask us, we want to join the club, but I think it's just a Java community. But then we told them that no, it's just because the name started with Java the Swag. But full heart, we welcome all bike brands to join with us. Any brand, any category, even super bikes were invited. Some of the super bikes joined as well.
Welcome, Amrita. So, why don't you give us your side of the story from Javada swag to Bikers Ka swag? How did the entire transition happen according to you? Plus, they're introducing BK as Biker Babes. So, we'd like to hear something from you the way Manpreet introduced the entire community as well.
Well, thank you so much, Akshay, for coming here with our riders. And yes, Java's a Swag was the group which I joined. I'm one of the core members now. I handle the admin and the communication for Java's a Swag then and Bikers the Swag now. So it has been a long journey, but I always like the enthusiasm the entire group has, and हमारे पाजी Manpreet ji he has. So he takes the tribe. So when we say that your vibes will attract the tribe, so it's correct. His vibes attracts all the tribe, and we just follow him. He is our leader, and we are very proud to be member of this group.
So, Manpreet, why don't you help us understand who's leading the entire BKS Bikers Babes ka entire squad?
Ranjana Vishwakarma.
Yes.
Here she is, the lead captain and lead female rider of BK's Biker Babes.
So, Ranjana, why don't you give us an understanding about BK's Biker Babes? What is this entire community about, and what is the intention or objective about behind the entire community?
So the idea was always there in Manpreet's head. I mean, he didn't find anyone relevant. So the moment he saw me and the way he saw me growing with each other, right? So he was like, "Why don't you think we should get a a different group for just women?" I mean, so I was also thinking about the same thing. So I was like कि हर राइड पे एक दो लड़कियां ही आती है, एक दो लड़कियां आती है. Why there is not a group for girls especially? Why 10-15 लड़के जा रहे तो एक बेचारी लड़की पीछे से जा रही होती है. So I was like let's collaborate, and with his support and idea I was like let's start BKS Biker Babes. So that's how it started.
So, how many members are there right now in BKS Bikers?
There are near about 100 women in our group.
Amazing. That's
Yes,
great.
and actively participating 20-25.
Amazing.
There are always more than 20 women in my each and every ride.
So, how often do you conduct the rides? And is that like exclusive ride only for women?
Yes, yes.
So, there is no male. So, again,
No.
so from the pilot till the tail,
Yes,
it's all women.
Yes.
Amazing.
Yes, all women.
Amazing. So, where all have you girls gone on ride?
We have been, our first ride was here only, near
Okay.
Karjar, the
Uh-huh.
first breakfast ride.
Right.
And then recently we went to Alibag. We
Okay.
went via road and we came via
Via
Roro
road.
and then head
Back
to home.
home.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So that's how it was.
Amazing. So again, so if at all somebody we have to add more girls to this community, and you'd want to, because again, as I was speaking earlier, it's like a mindset. It is not a say that only men can ride a bike. I am against that male dominant entire segment
true.
or the stereotype that we took all about. So how would you encourage more women to ride and be a part of this entire BKS Biker Babe?
So the idea is there is a proper, guidance given on the Biker Babe page.
Perfect.
Every month, first Sunday, we go on a ride.
Amazing.
That's fixed for Biker Babes. Any girls who wanna come for a ride, she can join us. She can message me anytime. My number is flashing on the Biker Babe page. She can message me, give her short introduction, few pictures with bike, and she can come to my group.
So you
Every Sunday, first of the month, we
So
go
the-
for a
So
ride.
the first Sunday of every month there is
Yes,
a ride,
yes.
and so you need to have some swag to become a swagger of the Biker Babes. Is that okay? As well, I've heard that in case you all want to join the BKS Biker Babes and want to go on ride every Sunday of the month, the first Sunday, sorry.
Yes.
So then you guys need to contact Ranjana. We will give you the link for their page in the description. Do follow their page and learn about how you all can join the entire community and also get onto the ride. So can we meet your entire clan as well? Of
Sure,
the
why
Biker
not?
Babes?
I've just
Perfect.
asked them. They'll be
Perfect. Cool. Here we meet the entire clan of BK's Biker Babes, and Ranjana is going to introduce us to everyone. Even don't miss out on this youngest kid here who is an aspiring rider too.
So this is not the entire clan. We have overall 80 to 100 people in our group, especially women. And we continuously have more than 15 or 20 in every ride. So this is this time. So each one of them are riding for the second time or third time. And she is the youngest traveling from Pune with her mom, Saili. And that's Aparna. She has done South. You can say about that. So hi, I'm Aparna. I recently joined Bikers for Square Beach gang, and it has been an utmost pleasure to be part of this gang. Just to introduce myself, I was never passionate about riding, but I recently did a solo South trip all by myself. I covered 3,600 kilometers in 10 days. Yeah, thank you.
Saili. Hi, I'm Saili. I'm from Pune. And recently I started my riding passion, like Punarjanam kar diya usko. And before marriage, I've been to Hyderabad in a one day. Now doing small rides. And first time my daughter joined me, and first time she's sitting behind me. So I enjoyed a lot. She scared a lot.
So that's an excellent excitement, and I'm sure she'll follow the footsteps
Yes,
of her
yes,
mother and ride
101%,
soon. But we need to turn 18.
Yeah, yes. Thank you.
मेरा नाम करुणा संकट है। मैं 8 साल से गाड़ी चला रही हूँ। तो लास्ट टाइम मेरा फर्स्ट राइड था BKS ग्रुप बाइकर दोस्त से। तो मुझे वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा खासा एक्सपीरियंस मिला और अच्छा लगा। और मेरा राइडर ये मेरा पैशन है। मैं अभी तक भी फॉलो कर रही हूँ।
Amazing. Amazing.
Hi, I'm Sheetal. I'm from Mumbai. Riding has been my passion. Being a rider since 5 years and being in this group is my first time, first trip, and looking forward to more rides in this group. Nice.
Hi, my name is Sonia. I stay in Navi Mumbai. Generally, people are saying that it's a hobby, a passion. So I took 2 years to decide for myself is my hobby or my passions. And after that, I took the bike. So I can say that it's my passion only. And my dream is to cover K2K, which is Kashmir to Kanyakumari.
Amazing.
Hi, I'm Aarti. I'm from Mumbai, and I had my first ride, longest ride ever in Ladakh in 2019.
Wow.
That was my first ride ever, and then after coming back, I started going with several groups, riding groups, and this is one of them, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. Thank you.
Great.
Vitosha, not a rider but a driver with Bikers Babes now and Bikers Swag.
She's a core member. Amrita, she looks after admin part. कुछ ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है, गाड़ी लेके आए हैं वो. So yeah, she is a very helpful person for us. So yeah, that's how it is. So this is the small group right now, but yeah, soon we'll have all the girls on your camera.
So guys, as informed, so in case you want to be a part of the BKS Bikers Babes community, please do not miss on checking the link in the description and do follow. And yes, Ranjana is waiting to check out the entire Swaggers ka swag wala video and clips with your bikes so that all can join the group.
Yes.
So as we know that the biker community is a very small community and a huge community as well. So there is a very strange story behind the person I'm going to introduce next. So before I was going to IBW 2014, the 10th edition of the IBW. I wanted to just fix a smaller thing on my bike, and I'll end up meeting somebody who's just admired my bike and he wanted to know which generation, when is the bike purchased and everything. And here we go. We meet again, and here is Anash Naik, right?
Yeah.
Yes, from Bikers Ka Swag, the lead who always is at the front, who is letting everybody know where are the potholes, where are the speed breakers, and guiding everybody to the end destination. All over to you, Anash.
Hi, hello everyone, and very thanks to Akash. That's how he Akshay, sorry. That's how he mentioned that he met accidentally for the first time.
Yes.
When we were actually, one of my friend Arshad was there, and we were servicing. And I came by default and I saw his bike. Of course, I'm a Ninja lover. Okay, so I saw that his bike has a unique color, so that's why I went into that. Coming back to the biker community, and as you mentioned, I am a bike leader. Okay, in Bikers Ka Swag. Okay. Bikers community, you can say I'm riding since 2014. Okay. Very good, bad experience both I can share with you. That's a very long story of biking community. Bikers Ka Swag I'm riding since almost a year now. Almost a year, not even a 1 year. Okay. But within 2 months, I was promoted as a ride leader.
Amazing.
Okay, yeah.
So how's this entire year journey been for you? And like since 8-9 months, or say 6-7 months that you're leading. So what is the change that you've seen in the community people when every time there will be a new rider, an immature rider joining the ride? So how difficult is it for you to ensure that they do not have any kind of mishaps
Difficulties, yeah.
and everything? How do you manage that?
Sure thing is that, every time and every day is a new challenge. That's how you get to learn more and you enjoy your life. Okay.
Right.
So being a normal rider to a leader, it was a great transformation. But already I was doing that part in another group. Prior to that, for a long 2014 till year. Okay. So it was a all over very good experience handling new people, because see, most of the bikers who are coming to Bikers Ka Swag, I have already ride with some other groups. Okay, they are very experienced. Those who are very new, commute to bike. Okay, they are not handling. We guide them as in, for example, I'm a lead. Okay, we do have a marshal and the tail, and in between people who are connected to an intercom. So that is how we try our best to make them comfortable so that they can ride peacefully. Because ride is all about enjoying, not just learning and riding on a road. Okay.
Agreed.
So definitely, I guess the review I get from those who are coming new, as well as the oldest people who are riding, they always appreciate that as being a leader. You always guide us well and all that, and never leave anyone behind. So overall, it's a very good, part to feel and experience, and let them other also know how things are going, knowing the signs and everything. As you know, like today, you guys have also ride road with us, right? So that is how we try to help in each and every manner. And prior to every ride, there's a small briefing where we give an input to how things can be done for new as well as the old one.
Perfect. And what is it that anybody else, any other person who rides, who enjoys riding, join Bikers Ka Swag? Why is it what is the special? Because there are quite a few biker communities.
Definitely.
I am myself a part of 3-4 communities. You are a part of 3-4 communities.
Right.
So what is so special about Bikers Ka Swag?
See, the only one statement, Bikers Ka Swag is just not a bike community, it's a family.
Amazing.
So people, then they connect with the people, with each other, and they behave and they treat us or treat everyone as a family. Definitely they're going to get back towards BKS.
Indeed.
That is one best thing of BKS, is that we treat each and every rider as our family, as a brother, as a sister. Okay, but not as some new rider or as an old rider, those who are already riding. No matter how many groups is already added in, but yeah, you're connected to us, you are our family. That's it.
Indeed. So guys, as you heard from Anas, it's not a community, it's a family that you're going to get associated to.
And special thanks to MotoGazer, those who have come with us, and the media team, as well as, Pratik who's shooting, and the person next to me. Okay, meet prior and now itself. It's a very good coincidence.
Yes.
We meet, definitely. Overall, it's a good experience, and I hope we'll keep on collaborating with you guys in future for longer rides and, night stays and whatever we plan. And of course, we are launching Super Bikers Ka Swag very soon, which is already on Instagram. Please do follow that also. If you have super bikes, please add us. Okay, please ping our Instagram pages. You will be getting added to that. And even in July, very big trip to Ladakh for complete BKS is going. So anyone interested externally can join. I will we very proudly, happily invite MotoGazer to join us for that.
Indeed, we will do our best to join that.
Definitely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Nice
much.
talking to you.
Thank you.
Isn't it amazing? So check the description on how you can join this group, and if at all you want to join or know about much such other biker groups, do let us know in the comments. Signing off, Akshay from MotoGazer.